I'm not gonna lie to you. Truck's running cool. It's running really good after we changed the plugs. The brakes need to be bled out, but we're enjoying it. This is nice. So look at it. Got plenty of power to take off. What's up, guys? We are back working on Pop's truck today. And we're gonna try to get this instrument cluster to work. I think it's the little circuit board that goes in behind it. I think it's messed up. And also we got some door switches. I don't know if we'll get to the door switches tonight, but we are gonna go ahead and see if we can't get this fixed. So come in here and I'll show you what we got. Believe it or not, Jegs actually had this. And they're not cheap, I will tell you all that. This thing's like $60, $64, $65 for this damn thing. But when you gotta have it, you gotta have it. So the problem with these is right in here on this one that's on Pop's truck, it's deteriorated right here on that lead. So we're gonna go ahead and replace this, and hopefully that'll get our interior lights to work. So with that being said, we got some stuff to do. Now I'm not gonna take you guys through the whole process here. All you're doing is taking off a few screws and things like that. But as far as these knobs go, if you guys have never messed with these, well, they just come off like that. And then you got to take these, which I think are 9/16, and that pulls off. And then the headlight switch, there's a button underneath the dash here. And then that comes out. Only problem is I think it turns the lights on, so I'll probably go disconnect the battery cable. Really not a lot to this. Just a few screws. Hold everything in. We're not taking the radio out today. We'll eventually upgrade it, but not right now. Light over here, which hopefully will work once we replace this. Okay. There's a clip back here for your speedometer. You just push it in and it releases it. It's kind of backwards from what you might think it would do. I say that and it's not coming off. There it goes. All right, back here, there's also a big plug, just like on a Fox body. It's the same exact setup. Back here. All right, this comes out. So this is the part that we're replacing, and as you can see, I kind of did like a DIY fix here. So I fixed it right there, and it actually worked really good. But see, all the bulbs are good. See, that stuff's rotten. There was one that was broken right there too, so yeah. Definitely needed to do this. Take that bracket off. And this is that like 9-volt like plug that you see on the back of that thing. Let's see. See? Looks like a wide 9-volt plug. Battery plug, that's what that goes to. So I guess it's like a anti-slosh or resistor. I'm not sure. Anyway, I'm gonna go grab a socket to fit this, and I'll catch back up with you guys once we pull this stuff off. All right, we got our new piece on. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and button all this back up. We're gonna slap it back in the truck and see if everything works. I'll be back with you guys in just a few minutes. I dropped the cluster in the shop and broke the only gauge that did work, which was my fuel gauge. So that no longer works. Also broke the temp gauge, which it didn't work but I was hoping that it would now. And I still have no lights, but I do have an oil light, so that's good. Everything back here is connected and good. It just damn sure is not going to work, so we're going to have to get another cluster. This leads me to a really good topic here. You know, as car guys, especially guys that, or people, women, whatever, that maybe have done without throughout their life, and you couldn't afford to buy the good stuff, and you always had to just make shit work. Comes a point in our lives where it feels good to be able to go buy the parts that we need, and you think, man, you know what? I'm not going to rig this up. I'm going to go buy the part that I need, and it's going to be such a nice install. Everything's going to go good. It's going to make me feel good. You know, my vehicle deserves it. And then you go buy that part, and it doesn't work the way that you want it to. As a matter of fact, it works worse than something you would have made, probably. It's funny because I was just talking to, I think it was Berger, about it. And he was saying the same thing. You know, it's like, man, you know, I really went all out and tried to buy the good stuff and the right parts, and that shit don't even work. I'm like, well, that's just the way it goes. And that's where we are with this. It's not a big deal. I mean, you can get a cluster pretty cheap. Hell, I had one in my hands a couple of damn weeks ago and told them, no, I didn't need it. So I'll get a cluster for it. And I was really, really excited about this part because I'm like, man, you know, I'll be able to see the gauges and Pop's truck, and it's going to be awesome. And the gas gauge did work in the truck. Now it doesn't work. So I'm worse off now, $65 later. So it is what it is. I'm going to include some of the other footage from where me and Aubrey were driving Pop's truck around. We actually took it into Dothan, which is a larger city right up the road. And it had never been, well, it had probably been 40 years since it had been to Dothan, I bet. At least 30. And yeah, it was kind of cool, man, taking it out. You know, it's kind of a busy little town, and it was cool to get the truck out. I was panicking the whole time though with the brakes. You know, I'm like, oh shit, I hope nobody stops fast in front of us. But man, it did so good. And me and Papa T, we've been driving the truck around some. So anyway, I'm gonna include some of that footage also where we went to go pick up Berger when he broke his drive shaft. Imagine that. Berger breaking drive shafts. I know, it's crazy, right? On top of this headlight switch, there is a button. You can't really see it, but just trust me, it's right back here. And you push down this button, and this releases this, okay? That's how that works. Aubrey, you tired of holding the camera yet?
It's just, I'm in a very uncomfortable position right now. Like,
all right, I'm gonna wrap this one up. And as always,
thanks for watching.
There we go. There's our first real test drive in Pop's truck, and we're having to go pick up Berger. So his truck messed up. He just got his white truck back, and the damn drive shaft came out of it. I don't know what's up with this boy and drive shafts, but I don't know. Anyway, me and Aubrey, we're in Pop's truck. We cruising 55. We going to get him. I hope I don't run out of gas. That's the only thing. We just put $25 in it
Or get caught up in the rain.
Or get caught in the rain because the windshield wipers move, but the blades are gone. So, but we were already on the road, test driving the truck, and then he called, so we're just gonna go pick him up. So we'll catch you guys there. But with that being said, look at this. And she pulls just a little bit, but oh my God, look, I can just lay my arm up here. We riding, y'all. Pop truck getting it, running cool. Or at least I guess, the gauge don't work, so sure, it's running cool. And this damn, I see what's squeaking now. The column is rubbing up here on that. Yeah, I had to fix that. All right, well, we're about a mile away from getting Berger. We're gonna go scoop him up, and we'll show you all the damage to his truck. If he's not in too bad of a mood. He's had some really bad luck lately, y'all. Y'all don't even know, so. Anyway, see y'all there.
Go back and get it.
Yeah, so we're here with Berger, and his drive shaft's somewhere up the road, and we got, this is not good. Not good. We're on Pop's truck. Can't see shit. The belts are squealing now because they got wet. We're gonna make the best of it, though. right, baby. Start up for me. Ooh, here we go.
Stop on the side of the road and pick up my drive shaft.
Yeah. Oh no, I gotta roll that shit. I think I need to get a new alternator.
The pinion flange and the yoke stayed in. It's just the drive shaft flew out.
Yeah. Jesus Christ. Yeah, you got some bad luck there, bub. How did you coasted all the way down here? You must have been hauling ass.
Mm-mm. I just had it. I just put it in neutral. And it's just like because it broke right there before the turn.
Yeah, I think my alternators.
I was running like probably 65, 60, something like that.
And our windshield wiper situation, you know, where's it at? Oh, up, it's on up.
Yeah. Should be right in this turn. It's like they had cut yard. I just seen it. I was just looking around and I seen something on my rear view mirror.
I can't see shit. I mean, I can't believe we even have rubber on the damn thing. What side of the road did it go on?
This side. Maybe it was in their yard.
Oh, there it is.
Oh yeah, I see it.
Oh my God.
County Road 33.
They got a yard ornament now.
Hell yeah.
Let me get this bad boy.
Continue on South County Road 33 for 6 miles.
Damn, you didn't know where you were going?
I was trying to see, because I was running late to work, so I was trying to see how far I was.
All right,
Oh, you're on the way to work?
Yeah.
yeah, we're gonna have to ease up off over a little bit because I can't see shit. The roads are wet. So I guess we need a new alternator because it's got new belts. And I'm sure that alternator's probably not charging good. As a matter of fact, I think I can hear it squeaking. It's probably on its way out. So add that to the list of stuff. But I mean, outside of that, you know, it's still pretty good.